Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Deidre and my husband's name is Jason. But in this video, I wanted to talk about the lodge that we stayed at before I give you a room tour and everything. And I wanted to kind of talk about everything about the lodge and how amazing it was. It is an absolutely incredible and beautiful lodge. Probably one of the most beautiful lodges I've stayed at a ski resort before. It's massive. It is huge. It's with the drive up to it, you guys will see in the video how incredibly stunning it is just from the drive up. It's marvelous. I want to first by starting saying that there is no public parking. When you drive up to the lodge, it curves around and you pull up, and there is, I'm not going to call it complimentary because there is a fee, valet parking. They automatically valet park your car and they bring it down to you when you need it. They're going to give you this number. You call down to them and say, I need my car by such and such time, and they'll have it out front, like that. But that is included in your resort fee. It's a $40 a day resort fee, but it's included in that. So I don't think that that's, a bad price, considering you're getting your car valet parked every time. So you will need to rent a car if you do stay in Stowe. Everything is really spread out, especially if you're going to do some adventuring. Renting a car is probably something that you really, really want to do if you do not. Otherwise, it's going to struggle. They don't have a lot of public transportation there because it's such a small town. So I highly recommend you renting a car. When you walk in, of course, the lobby is right there. It is exquisite. It is a beautiful, warm, cozy environment. They also have many different restaurants. They're available at the resort. Now, some of these restaurants are completely seasonal, which means when fall hits, they shut down for the winter. So be prepared for that. I want to say they're open for spring and summer, but they're not open for fall and winter, but they shut down. And also right now, currently at the lodge, they are building a ice skating rink, which you'll see in one of my videos. They are getting prepared for the winter months and the skiing months and just, all of the travelers who come there to ski. But there are multiple restaurants. The Solstice, we ate there the first night. It is a bit pricey, so get prepared. But it was good food. Didn't disappoint. And also everything closes early. So also get prepared for that. Everything in the town of Stowe and at the lodge does close a little bit early, if you're not used to something like that. But our stay was absolutely amazing. The staff was incredible. We did not run into any issues. Now, we did switch rooms. The room we originally had a better view, I thought, but we had a shared balcony with a few other families, and I did not know that. That was not communicated to us. And so when I let them know that, I didn't know because no one said anything. They graciously, we did not ask, they graciously switched us rooms, and so we had a private balcony, which was nice. But it was absolutely beautiful there. It rained a lot while we were there, so we didn't get to enjoy the balcony so much, but still a beautiful view. I feel like anywhere in the resort, you're going to have incredible views of the mountains and the trees all around you. But it's like I said, the resort is a very calm, warm, kind of dark environment. It's just very calm. It's very relaxing, very just exquisite and quiet. The people at the front desk were so kind. The valet guys were so kind. The people, there's a store that you can actually go to. There's also, that's on site. It's just like if you just want to get some breakfast bars or just different things. They have little knickknacks and things if you just want. They have wine. They have just all sorts of different things if you want some beer. They have just a lot of different knickknacks and just different things that you can have while you stay there, because it is a lodge. Some people actually do live at the lodge. They do own some property there, so you can live there if you want to buy property there. Also a spa on site. There's different activities on site. There's a pool. There's tons of amenities that will not disappoint you. Yeah, let's just get into the room tour, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me.
This is our room. This right here is a little like sitting bench where you can put your shoes. Technically, you're supposed to do that, but we don't. I mean, obviously, if it was snowing, this would be a really good idea if you're wet when you come inside. So, and then right here to the left, we actually moved rooms, by the way. We got upgrades for free. But this right here to the left is a bathroom. Has a really nice shower and a nice tub. I took a bath in there last night. Just your normal sink and toilet. The other room that I had was a little bit smaller, but the toilet was separated. It's the only thing I like about this room. But they have a kitchenette, like it's a nice little kitchenette. It's real big. And then, of course, there's a table right here to your left. And then, of course, they have a fireplace in here. It's a gas fireplace, which is absolutely, we used it the first night we were here. And there's a TV and a chair and a couch that you can sit on if you want to watch TV in here. This is our view out here. It's so beautiful out here today. Oh my gosh, it's nice outside. And then in here, it's just the bedroom. It's a whole other bedroom. Or whole bedroom, like it's, you know. And then there's a TV. The TV actually, I'm gonna get Jason to show you guys the TV, what it does.
It swivels out.
Yeah,
people
pulls out.
People know how they swivel out.
Oh, okay, well it pulls out. And then there's a closet, of course, if you wanna hang stuff. Just a closet, there's a light in there. There's bathrobes in here too. We haven't used the bathrobes, but the bathrobes look so cozy. Mm-hmm. And there's a safe, of course, if you wanna put your stuff in a safe. Obviously, that's really important. If you have any valuables, I should have done that, but oh well. And that's basically it for the room tour. So yeah, I just really love the view, but we are about to go and explore today. The only thing I find odd, you guys, the screen door is on the inside, which I don't get it, but it's good. It's kind of, I don't know. And the electrical stuff here is a little awkward. I don't know how to explain it. The way they have the electrical lights set up and the switches. But other than that, we haven't had any issues with our stay here. It's been quiet and calm. It's a nice hotel. They're very nice. The staff is very, very kind and accommodating and nice. So yeah, we haven't had any issues yet, but we'll check back with you guys later.
Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break.